Hi guys, I'm Chris.
Okay.
I come from
Okay.
Hello, are you filming me? Okay, good. So today we're gonna show our stuffed animals from Ikea. So today we're talking about our stuffed animals.
What you have with you?
A teddy bear.
Yeah, what's his name?
A polar bear. Joseph has a panda.
A panda.
Joseph has an elephant. I have a polar bear. This is Luke's, but Ward took it. It's a Husky, which is a type of dog. And we have a shark from years ago.
Yeah, and
The shark. And here's something. If you want to wash these, don't put them in the dryer. Because this is what happens when my mom accidentally put my polar bear in the dryer. It got burned. Yeah, there's black parts here. It feels crispy.
I hand washed mine. I hand washed it.
And also, here's another thing. The polar bear and the elephant do not come with these. We got them from the Loor thing from Ikea, but I messed it up because I accidentally cut the ropes.
So this panda is very handsome, so that's why it looks like me, you know.
Guys, please subscribe and we'll see you next time. Bye.